Hey you guys, it's Rachel Giroux, and I'm just clarifying for you really quick what I need you to do and what I don't want you to do, okay? So here's the email that I just sent for you. And this is the attachment right here that you're gonna double click on. And when you do that, it's gonna open up the spreadsheet that I've been telling you about. This is the grade book. That's what opens when you double click on that, okay? And this stuff right here, this whole paragraph here that I had put on there, those were just examples. So I was just trying to explain it to you. So this isn't yours. This is just a little picture that I took out of the grade book or out of that list of things. And let me just explain it more clearly for you, okay? So let me go ahead and go back to that real quick because when you scroll down here, it says, here's the link to my website. So click on that. And when you click on that, it's going to take you to this website right here where all the class links are at. And notice it says, would you like to earn 100% attendance scores? Well, you don't need to worry about that because when you look at your class at 10 a.m., your student number is 92829 or 17. Notice it says your attendance score is 100% and your quiz score is 100%. So you haven't missed anything. Okay, you've been here for all of your classes. You've got perfect scores on both of your quizzes. And there's just one thing that's missing here is the 2-6 quiz and the homework, which I saw that you turned in. I haven't graded it yet. Okay, so where do you find that 2-6 quiz at? That's at the website that I gave you. This little website right here. You just click on that and it takes you over to the links. Okay, so that quiz was on 2-6, so this is the quiz. You'll click on there, okay, and you'll fill it out. All right, you're in the 10 a.m. class. You attended the class live, so you'll click next. You don't need to watch the recording because you were there. This right here is just a review. These were just slides from the class to help you remember what we did, okay, and then it asks you to write a paragraph, okay. And I saw that you had sent me a paragraph in email. Please don't email it to me. I use this Google Docs form because it's going to organize all of your data for me nicely in a spreadsheet. It's going to have all your work that you ever do all put together so that when we have an IEP meeting, I'll have all of your work and be able to look and see your progress and talk about that. Okay, so a paragraph does have a topic sentence, and then it needs at least 3 detail sentences and a conclusion sentence, okay? So I did read your paragraph that you sent me. What I noticed that it was missing is it didn't have a topic sentence. So a topic sentence kind of introduces what you're going to talk about in the paragraph. Today in Mrs. Giroux's class, I learned 3 things. So you probably aren't gonna say today, but you could say this week. You're supposed to capitalize. This week in Mrs. Giroux's class, I learned 3 things, okay? There's your topic sentence, okay? I can go back to your email now and I can just copy, you could do this, just copy paste your paragraph in here, okay? And then make sure that you also have your conclusion sentence, okay? So tack a conclusion onto the end of it and then boom, you'll have your paragraph. Then it says you need to answer these questions and I decided I was just gonna go back in. And so here's what you had written in the email. Polar bears live in North America close to the North Pole. Penguins live in Antarctica. Polar bears eat seals, fish, and birds. Penguins eat fish too. Hey, those aren't things you learned in my class though, but thanks for teaching me that. Now I'm learning from you. Penguins and polar bears don't meet since they live in different areas of the world. Okay, and then you've got to have that conclusion. In conclusion, I love learning about animals, sounds like. So boom, your paragraph would be done. I'm not going to answer these questions. You've got to answer them though, because I don't want you to know what the answers are. Hopefully you already know what they are, but I don't want to give you the answers. Then you'll click next. Okay, this is just telling you about the homework, and it looks like you already turned in the homework unless I'm thinking of somebody else, but that's just me giving you the homework assignment, and then once you've got that, you just click submit and you're done. But you've got to remember to click submit. Just remember, you're looking at your grade book, okay? So you're not paying attention to anybody else's grade book. If your grade book says you have 100%, then you have 100%. You can still scroll over and see if there's anything that you need to do that hasn't been graded yet. That'd be great. But these quizzes and the homework, this quiz and homework, they're not due until Sunday. I heard it was your birthday. Happy birthday. So I know that you're trying to get it done early. That's what you need to do. And let's see. If you did have a lower than perfect score in attendance though, can you see how it would be really super easy for you to go over and see what class you missed? That one, right? So in that case, if you missed the January 30th class, then you would want to go in to that page, look for the January 30th recording, click on that and watch it, and then take this attendance quiz. So what I was trying to explain to you is that these attendance quizzes that are on here, these are for students that missed the class and are trying to get credit because they were absent. You don't have to take that, okay? But you do have to take the quizzes that I give you in class. So the State of Matter quiz, which you already did and got a perfect score on, you did have to take that one. The quiz, Where Do You Live, which you already did and got a perfect score on, you did need to take that. But it shows on your grade book that you did take it. So you don't need to take it again. So you need to pay attention to your grade book, okay? This shows you what you did and didn't do, okay? And then over here it says, this is the quiz that you haven't done yet. Sorry, that's the one that I was talking about, okay? Also down here, these are the tutorials. So here's me explaining how to check grades and make up quizzes and stuff. That's what I'm doing right now, basically. And then here's the homework tutorial on how to make and send your Valentine cards. So tutorials, I'll put there. And then these are videos that we've watched in class. Oh, I had added another video to that earlier today. And for some reason, it is not there anymore. I feel like I've been hacked. Okay, well, at least everything else is there. So have an awesome day. Thanks so much. Have a happy birthday. Enjoy your weekend.